Okay, so we're doing the final exam review part A, question 36. So it says fill in the blank with the appropriate word, phrase, or symbol. So it says with the product rule, that means multiply, with the product rule for exponents, how can this be simplified? So if you don't remember the rule, it's okay. You can say, oh, how many x's do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many x's do I have here? 5. How many x's do I have in total? 5 here and 4 here. I have 9. So the answer would be x to 9. And if you remember the rule, you just add the exponents. Okay? The next one is use the quotient rule. That just means divide. So here I have x5 over x2. That means I have 5 x's on the top and 2 x's on the bottom. What's same over same? 1. So those just make 1, and now I'm just left with 1, 2, 3 on the top. So when it's divide, I subtract. 5 subtract 2 is 3. But you don't have to remember the rule, you just have to be able to write them out and go, oh, same over same, there's your answer. Okay? The next one is use the negative exponent rule. So when we have a negative exponent, it just means move it to the other side. And you go, what other side? There is no other side. Well, you pretend it, you just write it as a fraction. Okay, now there's another side. It says take this and move it to the other side. Okay, so I put z over 10. Now you don't write the negative once you move it down. Okay, this negative is just instructions to say move it down. But what's up here? Nothing now. But you can't write nothing. The only thing that hides is a 1. So there. That's the negative exponent rule. It just means move it to the other side. The last one is the power rule, like exponents. But again, you don't have to remember the rule. This 2 says please write this bracket twice. Like that. What's in the bracket? X to the 4, x to the 4. How many x's here? 4. How many x's here? 4. How many x's in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, that's an x to the 8, not 8 to the 8. Okay, so the rule is when they're close, almost touching, you use multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. But you don't have to remember the rule, it just says write it twice. How many's here, and add them up. Okay, so that's the power rule.